Venice is full of famous hotels, coasting on past glory. You've got one shot at Venice, why not do it right? From Venice's ultimate luxury stay, to the city's best boutique value, and the best seat in the house. I inspected the top 15 hotels and paid my own way to stay at 5. Today, the only 4 worth booking. The famous ones I'd avoid. I'm Don, and this is stop 1 on my sprint across 8 Italian regions, searching for hotels with soul. Amman built its reputation on tropical minimalism. Clean lines, wide open spaces, nothing shouting for attention. This is the opposite. A 16th century palazzo dripping with frescoes and gilded ceilings. Instead of picking a side, the architect let the two clash. Original bones against modern furniture. It won Italy's award for Best Historic Restoration. Throw in one of Venice's best bars and a restaurant that could carry the hotel on its own, and you've got every reason to never leave this place. I give the Amman Venice a perfect 10 out of 10 for design and soul, a 9 for setting and facilities, but what they charge, only a 5 out of 10 for value. Look, I get that an Amman is a stretch for just about everyone, but if you want to come to Venice and splurge at one place, this is it. But if you'd rather avoid bankruptcy court, my favorite Venice hotel, which will hit last, costs a lot less. This hotel's on the opposite end of the price spectrum and the most personal stay on my list. You can just tell this place is owned by somebody who cares. "11 rooms inside a converted 19th century palazzo on a street named Lawyer's Lane. The owner named the place after his partner, Gabriella, and still makes breakfast for guests himself every morning. Philippe Starck furniture and Eames chairs sit against restored frescoed ceilings, and it works far better than it has any right to at this price point. My scorecard here, a 7 for design and soul, a 6 for setting and facilities, but a 9 out of 10 for value. The best of any hotel on this list. My full tour takes you into the courtyard garden out back and the neighborhood around this hotel that makes this stay so special. I don't usually get bubbles when I check in. That's a nice welcome.
We read your mind.
This is Philippe Starck's only hotel in Italy, and you'd walk right past the entrance if you didn't know to look for it. No sign, very discreet. Inside, nearly 300 backlit mirrors, carnival masks I still don't quite get, and public spaces so dark and theatrical, it makes the all-white bedrooms upstairs feel like a completely different hotel. One of Venice's best neighborhoods too, quiet, residential, minutes from everything without feeling like it, and bonus, you're right on the Grand Canal. This one's my most mixed review on this list, a 7 for design and soul, a 6 for setting and facilities, and a 5 for value. It's the room that does the heavy lifting here. My full tour walks you through this hotel of contrasts, and the single biggest missed opportunity in this whole place. If you love great design and authentic experiences, the Swank Guide was built for you. We research, curate the hotels, find that hidden art gallery, book you with perks, and save you hours of planning. It's the travel service I always wished existed. My process is always the same. Research everything, walk or boat, through the whole city inspecting the famous icons and the under-the-radar gems. Venice is so beautiful and has so many tourists, most hotels don't need to try. So the Gritti Palace, I think that's how you pronounce it, behind me, is maybe the most famous hotel in Venice, and I'm glad I came to check it out before booking a room here, because it's wildly overpriced, and no, I would not stay here. Here's another disappointment. I paid to stay here and walked out after an hour. This place is not horrible, but I don't love it either. There's something off about the vibe, the neighborhood, the service, and I'm gonna find something else. This hotel's founders made the world love $600 distressed sneakers, and now they're bringing that same attitude to a 13th century Venetian palazzo. This is the Venice Hotel, inside an 800-year-old palazzo. Two Golden Goose sneaker founders bought the ruin and spent 5 years restoring it. Every room is dedicated to a different artist, and they're the darkest, moodiest rooms on this list. That's a good thing. Then you reach the restaurant, right on the Grand Canal, and everything flips. Bright, loud, alive. Of everything I saw in Venice, this is the one hotel I'm still thinking about. In terms of drinking and dining in Venice, nothing beats this. This one also lands a 10 for design and soul and a 9 for setting, plus a 7 for value. The best value score of any splurge on this list. Not cheap, but totally worth it. My full tour takes you inside the Venice Mart. It's not a hotel gift shop. It's an experience. You'll probably only get one shot at Venice. I think a disappointing hotel can ruin a trip. I think these 4 are worth building your trip around. Venice was my first stop across 8 Italian regions. Next up, Florence. 18 hotels inspected, 6 paid stays, 5 made the cut. One's been called a top 10 hotel in the world. Plus, one of Italy's best affordable design hotels and a palazzo with the best view in the city. Check it out here. Thanks for watching and see us in the next video.